Hey guys, so here's how you're going to add a Lightbox to your Wix website. So the first thing that you're going to do is to head over to your Wix website editor. And then from here, just click on this add elements. In the add elements section, click on interactive. And then from here, you can see this Lightboxes section. From here, you have several different templates like the welcome template, subscribe template, promotion, and contact template. Now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to select this welcome template since I want this to be the very first thing that my audience will see when they go over to my page. For example, I just want them to see this one. Now, let's just drag this one and drop it to our website. From what you can see here, we actually have two parts of in this lightbox. So we have the lightbox itself and the overlay. Now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to resize this one a little bit just so that it doesn't look too overpowering. What you're going to do is to set up the overlay. And then you can toggle this off, but it closes the lightbox. And then you can also change the background of your overlay. You have here several different colors. Like for example, I want to change the color into something like black or something like this. But let's just choose black. Then as you can see, it has been applied to our website. You may also choose this or whatever you actually like. These ones are just like faded shadows. This one is actually quite my favorite because it's just, darkens the background a little bit and it puts this light box into something like a highlight. This one looks so much better. Now, once you're done and you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can save this, click on done. And if you want to publish your site, you can just click on this publish once again. But if you still want to edit some of these elements that are included in the Lightbox, you can simply click on any text that you want to edit and then edit text. If you want to edit this image, you can certainly do so. If you want to edit this Wix form, you can do so by clicking on this form settings or this add new field. Literally whatever you want to do, you can just customize this template. Now, once you're done with the Lightbox mode, you can just simply click on exit mode and it will close. And that's it.